Hi everyone! Welcome to the Knowledge Hub YouTube channel, where knowledge and information come together in a fun and easy to understand way. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our exciting videos every week. Alright, let's get started with today's discussion. If you're being chased by a shark, what would you do? Are you going to punch him right away? Here are some steps you should take to protect yourself from a shark attack. But first, you need to understand that sharks are one of the most dangerous predator fish in the world. Some species of sharks can grow up to 15 feet long, and their mouths are filled with more than 20 sharp teeth, each one as long as 10 inches. The larger the shark, the more powerful its attack will be. Even the biggest fish can fall victim to a shark. Every year, there are many shark attacks that result in numerous fatalities. For example, if you're swimming in the ocean and suddenly spot a shark approaching, you might feel incredibly threatened. And of course, the shark could perceive you as prey if you move in a way that draws attention, like an injured or dead animal. So, what should you do if you encounter a shark? Here are a few things you should not do. Don't swim away from the shark. Swimming away quickly can trigger the shark's hunting instinct, causing it to pursue you more aggressively. Don't panic or thrash around. Don't try to kick or punch the shark randomly. This won't be effective and could make the shark more aggressive, increasing the chances of an attack. So, what should you do instead? Stay calm and maintain your distance. Try to stay as calm as possible and avoid sudden movements. Sharks are more likely to retreat if you do not show signs of fear. Stay vertical. If possible, try to maintain a vertical position in the water rather than swimming on the surface like an injured animal. This makes you appear larger and potentially more dangerous. Use any nearby objects. If possible, use anything around you such as a surfboard, spear, or even your hands to maintain distance from the shark. Remember, confidence and calmness are key. The more composed you remain, the greater your chances of survival. If a dog starts chasing you from behind, how can you defend yourself? Every year in the United States, hundreds of people die from dog attacks. If you feel a dog is about to attack you, look at its tail. If its tail is stiff, then it will attack you. First, know what not to do. If a dog is standing right in front of you, don't make the mistake of running away. You can only run at a speed of 15 miles per hour, and only for a short time, but a dog can easily chase you down and bite you, as it can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Also, don't stare into the dog's eyes. Doing so will only provoke it further to attack you. Most importantly, don't panic. Dogs can sense your fear, which makes it easier for them to attack you. To stay safe from a dog attack, first, start shouting for help loudly. If no one comes, grab a stick or any stone you can find around you. Keep these items between you and the dog to create a barrier. Slowly back away without turning your back, always facing the dog. If the dog attacks, use the object to defend yourself. If all else fails, your last hope is to kick the dog. If a bear attacks you, you need to protect yourself. Here is how to save your life when a bear attacks. Every year, many people die around the world from going into the forest. After lions, bears are considered the most dangerous animals to humans. Bears can grow up to 8 feet tall and weigh 200 kilograms, about 440 pounds, with claws that are 4 inches long. Even if a bear just slaps you, you can suffer serious injuries. Bears attack humans when they feel the person is a threat to their cubs. Although bears may seem like shy animals, they will attack if they feel threatened or disturbed. Bears also become aggressive if they find something enticing, such as food or another bear. If a bear chases you, the first thing to do is stay calm. Do not try to fight the bear. If you do, you may be badly injured by its powerful blows. Do not attempt to climb a tree because bears can easily climb trees and will chase you up. A better method is to try to make yourself look bigger by raising your arms or using anything around you to appear larger. If the bear approaches and you are cornered, try to act as if you are not a threat. The bear may leave you if it feels there is no danger. However, keep in mind that bears can be very unpredictable, and there is no guarantee that they will always back off. The most important thing is to always be cautious and aware when in bear habitats. Never approach or disturb bears, and always follow safety guidelines when in the wilderness. If a tiger attacks you, then you must attack first. This is how a tiger saves its life in the wild. The tiger is called the king of the jungle, and other animals in the jungle fear it the most because there are very few tigers. A tiger can kill the largest animals in a matter of seconds. If a tiger approaches you, the first thing you need to do is assess yourself. Will the tiger attack or not? If the tiger is standing in front of you, not sitting, and its tail is twitching back and forth, it means the tiger is preparing to attack. Understand this carefully. If a tiger comes towards you, don't immediately run away. If you run, you will expose your back to the tiger and it will see you as an easy target. This makes you more vulnerable to being attacked. Don't try to fight it either, as the tiger will sense that you're weak and easy to strike. Additionally, don't try to climb a tree. Even though a tree might seem like a safe place, tigers can climb trees too. If you want to save your life, you must act like a tiger. Stay calm and don't panic. If the tiger is calm, then you must remain calm as well. However, if the tiger roars, immediately raise your hands to show that you are dangerous. Move back slowly without panicking and keep showing a strong, confident stance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.